Heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, flipping it occasionally until its internal temperature registers at least 75 degrees Celsius. Glaze the chicken with some of the marinade in the last 2 minutes of cooking, let it CA. Amylize, and then serve with a side of sticky rice and some papaya salad. Sai Krok. Sai Krok is a grilled pork sausage that is popular in northeastern Thailand. Sai Krok is made with ground pork, rice, garlic, and spices such as lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and chili. To make Sai Krok, mix all the ingredients together and form them into sausages. Preheat a charcoal grill to low heat and place the sausage on the grill. Grill the sausages for about 15 minutes, flip. Ing them over often until they are cooked through and evenly browned. Serve Sai Krok with a side of fresh herbs such as Thai basil, cilantro, and mint. Ing them over often until they are cooked through and evenly browned. Serve Sai Krok with a side of fresh herbs such as Thai basil, cilantro, and mint. Spices. When it comes to Thai barbecue, spices are key to achieving the perfect flavor profile. Here are some of the most common spices used in Thai barbecue. Lemongrass. Lemongrass has a refreshing and citrusy flavor that pairs perfectly with grilled meats and fish. Lemongrass is used in marinades and spice paste for Thai barbecue and can also be chopped finely in sprin. Leftover grilled dishes. Leftover grilled dishes. Kaffir lime leaves. Kaffir lime leaves have a distinct flavor profile that adds a unique citrus note to Thai barbecue. Kaffir lime leaves are typically used in marinades and spice paste, and can be added to the charcoal grill. During cooking to infuse dishes with its aromatic fragrance. During cooking to infuse dishes with its aromatic fragrance. Cilantro. Cilantro, also known as coriander in some countries, is a herb that is used in many Thai dishes. It has a fresh and citrusy flavor that can be used to add an extra zing to Thai barbecue. Use it as a garni. Or mix it into marinades for grilled meats and veggies. Or mix it into marinades for grilled meats and veggies. Thai chilies. Thai chilies are small, spicy peppers that add heat to Thai barbecue dishes. They are used either finely chopped or in paste form and can be used to spice up a marinade or as a condiment to add an extra K. CK to grilled dishes like gai yang and mu ping. CK to grilled dishes like gai yang and mu ping. In addition to the above tips, there are a few other things to keep in mind when grilling Thai barbecue at home. First, temperature control is important. Make sure to preheat your grill before adding any meat or vegetables. This will ensure your food cooks evenly and has that signature smoky flavor. It's also a good idea to oil your grill grates before cooking to prevent sticking and ensure easy clean. Meat or vegetables. This will ensure your food cooks evenly and has that signature smoky flavor. It's also a good idea to oil your grill grates before cooking to prevent sticking and ensure easy clean.